Hello and welcome back to another video on Unpack Technologies. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing the Beats Studio Buds, so let's get straight into it. Alright, so just before we do the unboxing, we'll just take a quick look around the box here. So we can see that on the front it says Beats Studio Buds and it advertises active noise cancellation or ANC and also transparency mode. And it's also got the Beats logo here with a picture of the two buds themselves. On the right hand side it just says Studio Buds and it says made for Apple TV, iPhone and iPad. But you can also get the Beats app on Google Play and this will work quite nicely with Android as well. But just in case you didn't know, Beats is actually owned by Apple, so these are sold at Apple stores if you'd like to buy them. On the back, it's just got some more information in some different languages and then also some battery information here. And then on the left side, it just talks about active noise cancellation with transparency mode and powerful balanced sound. On the top, there's nothing except this little hanging piece of plastic. And then on the bottom, there's just some more basic information. So now let's get into unboxing these. So we've got a typical Apple pull tab here. So I'll just grab it here and pull it across. There we go. So then we can just pull up the top and then pull this little pull tab out. And we'll see these are the Beats themselves. We'll take a look closer at those in a moment, but let's just have a look at what else we get in the box here. So we've got a sort of fitting guide here with some of the controls information. We've got a USB-C to USB-C charger here because these buds do use a USB-C cable. We've got some ear tip connectors here, which I can have a look at. So here we go. There's the ear tip. So you've got small, large, and then the ones that would be installed on the medium currently. Now, here's some of the documentation we get on the inside. So I'll just pull that out. So you can see here you get the free trial of Apple Music, which is quite nice. So you get at least 3 months free with that. We've got some Android information if you're pairing it with an Android phone. We've got a Beats sticker here, which is quite nice. And we've also got some safety and handling information and just some other important information for the Beats. So we'll put that to the side for now. And then we'll grab a look at the Beats themselves. So what we do is there's a little pull tab here, which we can pull up to get access to the Beats. So do that. There we go. And here's the Beats themselves. There's nothing else on this little cardboard piece here. And here are the Beats themselves. So you can see the Beats case here. You can see, just for comparison, this is an AirPods 3rd generation case. So it is slightly bigger. As you can see, slightly wider and also slightly thicker. But here we've got the Beats logo on the front. We've got a USB-C charger on the bottom and then nothing else really on the case. But then we can open it up here. It's got a nice LED indicator here and it's got the Beats themselves. We've also got a button here. So we'll have a look at the Beats here. So you can see that this is actually a physical button on the headphones here. And we've also got the little rubber tip for the noise cancellation. So yeah, and then they just fit nicely back into the case here, magnetically attaching, and then we can just shut the lid with a satisfying click. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful in giving you an idea about how the unboxing experience is like on the Beats Studio Buds and whether you should pick these up for yourselves. They're quite a good price and you can get them at Apple stores and other leading tech stores. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to do a review on these after I've used them for a little while, because I'm more than happy to do that if you would like to see that. Thanks for watching this video on Unpack Technologies. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video.